So in order to make it more accessible and fun for the students, the main idea will be not to over-explain. Our goal is to leave knowing what excites the students and what kind of professionals they want to become in the future. To give students the real business school experience, not just a simplified one. And we bring in HKU faculty members, we have industry speakers from all different kinds of areas, including finance, marketing, entrepreneurship, and cross-cultural management. So what I'm personally most excited to see from the capstone is how the students who do not have trained habits from university will actually perform. So this is an advantage because they may form fresh connections that a seasoned student might miss.